Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Taste and Trivia. In today's video, we're turning up the heat with a fried chicken quiz. You'll have 35 questions and 8 seconds for each one to answer correctly. Before we start, please subscribe to Taste and Trivia so you never miss our tasty quiz challenges. Ready? Let's get started. What part of the chicken is most commonly used for fried chicken? Correct. Thighs and drumsticks. These cuts stay juicy and flavorful when fried. Which cooking method gives fried chicken its crispy coating? Right. Deep frying, hot oil creates a crunchy outer crust. Which country is famous for Southern-style fried chicken? Correct. The United States. Southern fried chicken is a classic American comfort food. What ingredient helps fried chicken become extra crispy? Yes, flour or starch. Flour or cornstarch forms the crunchy coating. Which fast food chain is known for fried chicken and 11 herbs and spices? Correct, that's KFC. KFC's secret seasoning made it famous worldwide. What liquid is often used to marinate chicken before frying? Right, milk or buttermilk. Buttermilk tenderizes the meat and adds flavor. Which country is famous for Korean fried chicken? Correct, South Korea. Korean fried chicken is known for being extra crispy. What makes Korean fried chicken especially crunchy? Yes, double fried. Double frying removes moisture for extra crunch. Which seasoning is commonly used in spicy fried chicken? Correct. Chili powder. Chili powder adds heat and color. What oil is commonly used to fry chicken? Right, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil has a high smoke point. Which fried chicken dish is coated in a sweet spicy sauce? Correct. Nashville hot chicken. It's famous for its fiery chili oil glaze. What is popcorn chicken? Yes, bite-sized pieces. It's made from small chunks of chicken. Which flour alternative is often used for extra crispiness? Correct, rice flour. Rice flour creates a lighter, crunchier crust. What does boneless fried chicken usually use? Right, chicken breast meat. Boneless versions are often cut from breast meat. Which fried chicken style is known for being very spicy in the USA? Correct! Nashville hot chicken. It's coated in hot chili oil after frying. Which country has karaage, a popular fried chicken dish? Yes, Japan. Karaage uses soy sauce and ginger marinade. What coating is commonly used in karaage? Correct! Potato starch. Potato starch makes karaage light and crispy. What part of fried chicken is considered the crispiest? Right, the skin. The skin absorbs seasoning and becomes crunchy. Which side dish is commonly served with fried chicken? Correct! Mashed potatoes. It's a classic comfort food pairing. What does extra crispy usually mean? Yes, double-coated or fried. Extra coating or frying boosts crunch. Which sauce is popular with fried chicken wings? Correct, buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce is spicy and tangy. Which fried chicken cut has one bone and lots of meat? Right! Drumstick. Drumsticks are juicy and easy to eat. What happens if oil is not hot enough when frying chicken? Correct! Too much oil. Low heat causes greasy fried chicken. Which flour blend is often used for southern fried chicken? Yes, seasoned flour. Seasoned flour adds flavor to the crust. Which fried chicken is usually served with waffles? Correct, chicken and waffles, a popular sweet-savory combo in the USA. What texture should perfectly fried chicken have? Right, crispy and juicy. That balance defines great fried chicken. Which spice adds smoky heat to fried chicken? Correct! Paprika. Paprika gives color and mild heat. Which fried chicken is usually glazed with soy-based sauce? Yes, Korean fried chicken. Many versions are coated in sweet soy glaze. What is commonly sprinkled on fried chicken after cooking? Correct. Salt. Salt enhances flavor right after frying. Which fast food chain is famous for chicken sandwiches? Right. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is known for fried chicken sandwiches. What happens when chicken is overfried? Correct, it dries out. Overcooking removes moisture. Which fried chicken style uses cornflakes for coating? Yes, cornflake chicken. Cornflakes add extra crunch. What tool helps check if fried chicken is fully cooked? Correct, meat thermometer. Safe internal temperature ensures doneness. Which flavor combo is popular for fried chicken worldwide? Right, sweet and spicy. This balance is loved across cultures. What makes fried chicken so popular globally? It's crispy, flavorful, and comforting. Well done, chicken champions. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and tell us, crispy or extra crispy. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a like and share it with a fellow fried chicken fan. Subscribe to Taste and Trivia for more delicious quizzes from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and stay hungry.